然后等一下把卡也插进去啊。头。Okay guys, today we will show you how to use the Octoprint, and you can see that we have already get into the Octoprint configuration interface here. Let's upload the file we need. Open the Bird Whistle file G-code. Open, and it is uploading. Okay, wait. Okay, good. And you can see that the file has already in the G-code file list. And you can click the print and load, and also cancel the file. And this is the real temperature curve of the printing model. You can set the temperature to 200 degrees manually by yourself and click yes, and the bed temperature, yes. And the second interface is about the monitoring. You can real check the printing situation, and also set the XYZ axis by yourself. Okay, now you can see that the axis is moving. And the third one is the G-code viewer. You can see this is the real printing situation of each layer of the slicer. And this is the running code. The last function is about the time lapse. You can use our camera to set the time interval to get the printing picture by ourselves, and also to get our pictures. And let's get started with our print. Click the print, and yes, now you can check the real printing statue here. And you can set also the print, pause, and cancel. Okay, let's cancel the print.